Thought you might like to see a little bit of sharpening on a Quorn tool and cutter grinder. All we're doing is we finished our centering and facing tools here. We've got 2 of these done. And what I'm doing is just grinding the lathe tool bit to go in here. This is going to be both a centering and facing tool, or it can be set up as just a facing tool, or we're going to center. So we'll have a center drill inside it like that. Then we have a lathe bit that's presented somewhat in that fashion, and we'll show it more when it's done. We've got 7 or 8 degrees back rate already built into it. So to get a 16-degree back rate, we're going to grind this bit at 24 degrees. We're not putting any side rake on it since it's just presented in that fashion. So I'm just going to let the camera run. We'll just go ahead and grind this. This is a fairly slow process, but this is the end that I cut off, so it'll take a few minutes to do it, but we'll just let the camera run. I'll fast forward through it just so you can see the process, and then we'll go ahead and I'll show you the way it's installed. Okay, I've gone ahead and sharpened both ends of these, and that's the way they look. That's going to focus on there. This is the other end. And the way these set up in a tool, set up the other tool here. Alright, well this is the basic setup. This has still got to be fine-tuned. But anyway, we're cutting tangentially off this top end, so as we feed in, why it will face it, and then we'll get a slight dimple right there off of our center drill. So once it's set up and tuned a little bit more, why that's the way it is. But just wanted to show you the grind of those. And there's the grind from the side, if we can get it to where we can see which way it is. Top and actually you can see this grind probably a little bit better there. So that's the reverse end and turned around. But anyway, there's those tool holders basically done. There again, when I blue, I'll throw them in the bluing tank. But I've got one more bit to grind, and I've ground both ends because they're going to be dedicated to this tool, or to these two tools. So I might just as well grind both ends and be done with them. So anyway, if you find that a little bit interesting, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you hit the bell notification, you'll know when I put out a new video, and any comments or suggestions, leave them in the comments section for me below. And as always, guys, thanks for taking the time to watch.